Hey there, brain glue space enthusiasts! Ready to blast off to the red planet? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a cosmic journey to our planetary neighbor Mars. From towering volcanoes to speedy days, Mars is a world full of wonders just waiting to be explored. Did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system? It's called Olympus Mons, and it's absolutely massive. Imagine Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. Now multiply its height by 3 and you'll start to get an idea of how colossal Olympus Mons truly is. Scientists believe that Olympus Mons was able to grow to such an enormous size because Mars doesn't have plate tectonics like Earth. Ever wish you had a little more time in a day? Well, on Mars, you get your wish. A Martian day, also known as a sol, is only about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. So if you're always running late, Mars might just be the perfect planet for you. Imagine waking up on Mars and having an extra 40 minutes to enjoy your morning coffee. But don't get too excited about all that extra free time. A Martian year is almost twice as long as an Earth year, clocking in at a whopping 687 Earth days. So while you might have more time in a day, you'll have to wait a lot longer to celebrate your birthday. Did you know that Mars has 2 moons? And no, they're not called Thing 1 and Thing 2. These celestial companions are named Phobos and Deimos, after the Greek gods of fear and panic. Phobos and Deimos aren't your typical majestic-looking moons like our own. They're actually quite small and lumpy, resembling giant potatoes more than anything else. Scientists estimate that in about 50 million years, Phobos will either crash into Mars or be ripped apart by the planet's gravity, creating a stunning ring system around the red planet. Here on Earth, we complain about a little bit of dust on our furniture, but on Mars they take dust to a whole new level. Did you know that Mars is home to the largest dust storms in the solar system? These dust storms are so massive that they can engulf the entire planet, blanketing it in a thick reddish haze for months on end. Scientists believe that these colossal dust storms are driven by the sun's heat, which warms the Martian atmosphere and creates powerful winds. Remember how Mars seemed like a dry, dusty desert? Well, what if I told you there might be liquid water hiding beneath the surface? Scientists believe that Mars might have vast reserves of water ice locked away at its poles and even flowing as briny groundwater deep underground. The presence of water, even in its frozen form, is a huge deal for scientists. It means that Mars could have once been a much warmer and wetter planet, perhaps even capable of supporting life. So there you have it, space explorers. Those are just a few of the mind-blowing and hilarious facts about Mars that make it such a fascinating planet. From its towering volcanoes to its speedy days and potential for life, Mars continues to captivate our imaginations and inspire us to explore the great unknown. So next time you look up at the night sky, give a little wave to Mars. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and follow for some more fun facts.